Welcome back to another award-winning episode. I really hope this video found you in time because there's something very important you should know about your 3D printer. And if you're already having problems, we'll show you how to fix it, maybe even for free, compliments of the manufacturer. What we've got today is the Ender 3 S1. It's definitely on the budget end of 3D printers, but performs rather well and offers the welcome feature of a swappable head for laser engraving. That's where our troubles began. As you can see, our 3D printer works just fine, but one day the laser engraver stopped working. It's strange because the machine went through all the motions, however the laser just didn't turn on. We contacted Creality, and to their credit, they were quite helpful. They requested proof of purchase and a video illustrating the malfunction. So then they mentioned something very curious. They asked if we'd recently plugged or unplugged the laser while the unit was powered on, as this may have caused the laser to malfunction. As a further diagnostic, they asked us to turn the voltmeter to DC voltage during operation with the red probe on PWM and the black probe on ground. So we did this, but didn't get the proper voltages, which pointed toward a motherboard failure. Thankfully, Creality sent us a new motherboard free of charge. Now we'll walk you through the install, as there are a couple tricky pitfalls.
Yeah, we'll probably break it down on there. We need to get at the motherboard.
Remove all the retaining screws to expose the internal organs, bearing in mind that the fan's cable will need to be disconnected from the motherboard.
This screw, this one, and this one, and this one that hold it in.
Now it's just a matter of cable management. Take a picture if you have to, before removing all the wires connected to that motherboard. Alright, now all the screws. As you pull out the board, pay careful attention to the wires that were screwed into your top green connector. You do not want to get the order misplaced. Now, simply insert the new motherboard and wire appropriately.
The things we do.
Reviews.
Oh.
She all in?
So.
let's summarize that cautionary warning to all you guys out there with this type of 3D printer. But if you swap out these heads while the power's on, that's when the board is known to fail.
Yep. Yeah, when you're switching between 3D printing and the laser engraver, if it's still powered on, that's when it fries the motherboard.
Thanks for joining us today, guys. If you appreciate the video, consider checking out my book, Discarded Horse Feathers, available at all major online retailers. And check out PX's channel. He's an awesome builder, but at times he could use a little motivation. Take care. I'll do take 2 here. Compliments of the manufacturer.
God, it's all a scam.